Okay, we're going to take a look at this rock chip, okay, right here. This little bitty chip is called a surface scratch. It only scratched the surface. It did not penetrate the windshield. Okay, so if you call the windshield repair a person out there, they're going to say it's nothing I can do with that. It's too small. It only scratched the surface. It did not penetrate your windshield. This little circle right here. So thank goodness. I'm glad to hear that. It's only a surface scratch. Okay. Now, granted, if it's something larger, just a little bit larger than that, then hey, you got a situation going on. But as small as this one is right here, yeah, they're going to leave it alone. Because if they were to put any of the solution on it, all it's going to do when you go through the car wash, it's going to scrape it right off because it's just a scratch. Okay, and it won't penetrate the wood. It'll be sitting right there. I mean, the window. It'll be sitting right there on the top. All right. Again, this is only what? A surface scratch. Thank goodness.